So let's talk about Polygon MATIC, now known as POL, and BNB, which is Binance Coin. Let's do a comparison, but of course we are going to talk about them separately, and let's get started. It's sitting at 22 cents right now, Polygon MATIC, and I have covered this coin extensively. We have talked about its cup structure, its handle structure, how this is a falling channel. Falling channel is bullish. If it starts breaking out, it is going to go up. The probability of that is 70%. 30% of the time it goes down. We have discussed a lot. We have shared areas of support. Let's go and check what did we talk about last time, and we take it from there. Meanwhile, a search, you can let me know that if you love Polygon MATIC or do you love BNB. I would like to know your reasons. That would be really helpful. So last time we talked about this thing on 30th of April. Today is 5th of May. It's been 5 days. At that time, we talked about the structure, falling channel. We talked about if it starts going up, breaking out, it is going to go bananas. Bananas in a sense, it is going to start getting aggressive. It was sitting at 23.5 cents. Today it is sitting at 22 cents and 22.8, but I like to call it as a 22 cent support. So pretty much Polygon MATIC is where the support is. It is sitting at its support area, and this is the make and break situation for MATIC. Until and unless we don't see Polygon MATIC going below area of 22 cents for more than 2 days, which means if it closes 2 daily candles below the area of 22 cents, then we can conclude, okay, it is getting bearish. We can start talking about the journey towards 15 cents, 10 cents. But if it is not closing 2 daily candles with the bodies below the area of 22 cents, we don't need to get bearish. We can still keep our hopes up, and we can still expect Polygon MATIC to go up and hit our first target. Our first target is 25 cents, and of course after that our targets are going to get crazy and bigger, but we will take them piece by piece. At this stage, I don't think there is anything else for me to add. That's pretty much it. Sorry for the sound, someone just delivered some paper. 22 cents is a support. Yeah, it is a support. There is nothing else to add. Now let's talk about BNB, but before we do that, let's talk about Polygon MATIC's performance in 7 days. In 7 days, it's down 7.9%, almost 8%. Let's look at the competitor for today. BNB is down only 1% in 7 days. I mean, it's a warrior coin. If you make me pick BNB against everything, I think I will end up picking BNB all the time. But that's personal preferences if you make me pick it in a competition. Anyway, so BNB, I cover this coin very, very occasionally because I have personal sentiments for it. When I have personal attachment to something, I don't cover those things. Like I've never made a single video on my own coin ever. I didn't bother coming and launching it. The only thing that you get to see is that bloody sign for my project that is there. But I always try to keep analysis as non-biased as possible. Anyway, for BNB, it's really simple. $600 is the support. It's a psychological support as well as it is TA support as well. If BNB loses the area of $600 for more than 2 days, it will start the downward journey. And of course, our first target, shocking, is $500. But if it doesn't lose this, then I would be expecting it to be on an upward journey towards the all-time high, which is the 722, I think. So all of this boils down to one thing. What the hell happens at $600? Now, this is the area of $600. So far, only one time it went down, closed the daily candle. Today, it is making attempts to go and conquer the $600 again. If we see 2 daily closings below the area of $600, because we still have time in the closing of the day, if we see it closing below the area of 600, then we can start getting bearish and we can start saying, okay, finally the journey towards 500 has started. If that doesn't happen, BNB stays bullish and we expect it to go and hit the all-time high again. And as I cover this coin seldomly, that's why I'm keeping the targets larger and not smaller targets, and that's BNB versus Polygon MATIC. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.